Hey everybody, Lindabradley from Princess House. So today I'm going to show you the healthy way to make bacon in our Princess House Vitasana air fryer. So I love the air fryer for many reasons. Number one, it does not heat up your kitchen. Number two, ours has a non-stick basket and pan, which makes it really easy as far as cleaning is concerned. I think that once you make bacon in the air fryer, you'll never go back to doing it another way, because all of the grease just goes right out underneath on the bottom, and it makes it so easy to clean it. Plus it also is much healthier. So a lot of people complain sometimes about smoking when you're having things like this, very greasy. So if you want to, you can add a little bit of water in the bottom of the air fryer, and that's usually all that you need to make it work. You do want to go ahead and do it in batches because you want to make sure that you just have one layer, all right? And then you're going to put it in at 400 degrees. Whoops, my fingers won't even, they're wet. There you go, 400 degrees for 10 minutes. And you will have the most perfect bacon ever. No grease on your stove, no grease in your oven, super easy to clean. All right, I'm gonna show you the finished results. Okay, I'm back. So let's see how the bacon did in the air fryer. So I put about 5 pieces in. I like my bacon really crispy. I'm going to say that to you first because it's perfect. I put it in for actually 12 minutes. So if you don't like your bacon, as crispy as I like mine, then you can go ahead and put it in for a little bit less time. But I can see the grease at the bottom. It's going to be super easy for me to just pour that out, wipe it down, and then start over again with my other batches. So it's a perfect way to do it in the Vitasana air fryer. I think that I'm going to like this way. So I've already made baked potatoes, which came out awesome. Now I have the bacon. Stay tuned for potato skins. Lindabradley at myprincesshouse.com.